Hey David, this is Michael. I thought this might be at least a quicker way to get you to take a look at some of these edits. We're playing a little bit of tag yesterday trying to get on a quick call to review the new campaign that I set up in some of the edits. So I'm just going to shoot this quick video, and if it works, great. If it doesn't, that's fine. I can get into the calendar and try and schedule something up for as early as possible that fits both our schedules. Anyway, on the copy, you wanted me to make this section here be congruent with the lander where it says she ate more of her favorite foods and watched her waistline shrink. I had, see what I did, but I just changed it to see what Chrissy did, so that they, the reader expects it to be about her when they hit the lander. I believe that was the only edit here. I did shorten the word favorite here in the headline so that on the ad, if this goes down to a second line, it actually eliminates the subhead. So I sort of shortened this up to make it be a one-liner. That way part of this subhead ends up on the ad. I'll show you here in a minute. The other thing here was that you wanted me to work on that image, make it smaller. I made what you can see of the image smaller, and I'll show you here. And then also to sort of, like, what is that? Like not really make it out. That was something that you had wanted also. So I worked on that. Here in the copy, on this, I had weight incinerating program here, if you'll recall, which is a horrible word, but I knew you were going to catch that. So I just changed it to weight loss program, but I did say discovered a weight loss program called the Favorite Foods program. And the reason why I put the name of the product in there is because I saw that in the group yesterday that somebody was not getting their lander approved, and then when they added in the name of the actual product, that they got it approved. And I don't recall who that was, but based on that practice, I went ahead and made that change as well. I think that's it on the lander. You wanted the image worked on, and then that one word incinerating changed, and then of course I added that. I went into to the ads manager and started a new campaign, so I'm going to walk you through it real quick. The nomenclature here is campaign 2, raw lifestyle 2, which is the name of the business manager we're in. AA is ad account 1. This is the offer, and this is your initials. This is the same through the ad set as well as ad 1, and this will be ad 1. That will be a 2 for the second ad, 3 for the third ad, and so forth and so on. So let's go through it. So I set up a new campaign. I set up a campaign for purchase conversion. Okay, here's the ad set name. That is the same as the campaign name. $20 a day budget. No end date. Got 1% US 1% lookalike audience as the first one, the first ad. People who live in the United States. I did change this to 19 and up. Last Saturday in the group call, somebody mentioned that Facebook policy says that, no weight loss offers to 18 and under. So in order to eliminate the possibility of going to somebody 18, I changed it to 19. Don't know if that matters, but I did notice that none of this actually changed when I changed it from 18 to 19 as far as potential reach and stuff. So going on, no detailed targeting, unchecked expanded interests here. Under placements, of course, you can see some of that, and maybe even pause this if I'm going too fast. Placement is edit placements, all Facebook stuff, no Instagram, no audience network, no messenger, uncheck Wi-Fi, all mobile devices, And let's see, under optimization, we got 7-day click, 1-day view, conversion. This is a newer thing. I didn't mess with it. Obviously you've probably read it already. I don't really think it applies to us right now. And then of course I didn't change any of this stuff. That's the ad set level. So on the ad level, on the ad itself, I have the correct page that I want to use. On down, I went ahead and changed the image to show the newer image. Also, this is the new copy with see what Chrissy did. 3 fingers pointing down based on something that I heard at the event in Vegas. Let's see here, website URL, no display link. Here's where that headline, again, goes one line here. That way the subhead shows up. I noticed that when this was longer, it would text wrap down to the second line, and then this didn't show up at all. So you can advise me on that if it's incorrect. But at any rate, it's a full sentence here, and I let them truncate it. Let's see, learn more button, tracking. I put that code in that you had me do last time. I then also use the same nomenclature as the ad set, ad, and campaign name, using underscores so that there are no spaces. This is the correct pixel. This is the 9873 pixel. You'll remember I had some challenges having the correct one associated or placed by the vendor. I've double checked it, and you checked it also, and it does appear to be the correct pixel now on the page. So that's the ad level. So I went ahead and I made the changes that you asked me to, and I of course started this campaign. It's in drafts, so if you want to get in there and take a look at it, you mentioned the link I sent you didn't allow you to log in, but I'll include my login information. You're more than happy to go in there and take a look at this closer. Let's see. I think that's good. I think that's it as far as the new campaign goes and some of the changes you wanted me to make. So if there's anything else, let me know. And if you do still want to get on a call before we do this, or before I send this in for review, that's fine. I need a little headway. My days kind of change, right up until the evening before of the next day. It's just the way my business is. So, and sometimes it changes right in the middle of the day. But at any rate, hopefully this is helpful. I know you like to record all the sessions, but most of this stuff is stuff from previous sessions. Nothing new here, just sort of me doing this, on my own without you, being there hand over hand. So let me know. And I'm looking forward to getting this campaign going as soon as possible. All right, David. Thank you.